Instagram has introduced a new feature that allows users to adjust the preview of their posts even after they've been uploaded. To change the preview of an existing post, just follow the steps. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Now, locate and select the post for which you want to adjust the preview. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. A menu will appear from the bottom, displaying the new update, Adjust Preview. If you don't see this option, make sure to update your Instagram app. Now tap on it to proceed. Resize the image using 2 fingers. Then reposition it within the frame as desired. You can also select Fit to use the full image as the preview, and change the background color if desired. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, tap Done or the check mark to save the changes. Now, return to your profile to check the change. You will now see that the preview has been updated. This enhancement offers greater flexibility in curating the appearance of your Instagram feed, ensuring each post is displayed exactly as you intend. So that's how you can adjust post previews and customize your Instagram feed appearance.